Okay, what I'm doing here is I'm replacing the alternator on a 2012 Ford Explorer 2.0 Turbo. I could not find a video anywhere on YouTube, so I'm gonna try to do this backwards since I struggled to get it out. Maybe I'll put this to get an idea what you need to take off so you can take it out. I know I'm already in the process of putting it back together, but I thought about it afterwards. So what I've done so far is I removed, where is it at? There's a tensioner on the pulley that I took off while I was pulling it out to give me more room. I bought a used one. They're $400 for a new one, $100 for a used one. So see how long it carries me over. I'm planning on buying a new car next year. So what did I do with okay, I found it. Here it is. So I took off the thermostat housing, which goes down in there, something like that right there. You can see it's 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. Smaller hose goes on top. I had to remove that to make enough room. I'm gonna remove the intercooler tube to make enough room to get that thing alternator because of this stupid pulley that it comes with. I don't know why they made it like that, but they did. So that barely gave me enough room to get it out. And now I'm trying to put it back in. And there's my truck. I gotta fix this so I can get my wife a car back. So as you can see, the alternator's got to go on this groove right here. It's hard to do it by myself, but see, there's a top one, and there's 2 more on the bottom. You can't see them anymore, but that's how it's going to sit correctly. I just grabbed it from the top and just slid it in again. Move this to the side, hold it like that. Hoses out of the way. Where's the other one? Hold it right here out of the way. And just worked it in. I'm pretty sure the bottom ones are not set, so I gotta rework it to set in, and then probably put the cables on, and then right there, thermostat housing. We'll see in a minute. Okay, so what I was able to do is that while it was off, I still had all the bolts off. I pushed the alternator this way till it hit up against there. So it was that way. I was able to put the wire on really easy, tighten it up, put the cap back on, and then put it back in place. And then I was able to position the alternator back in place where it goes, put the top bolt on, and then the bottom 2. Let's see. Let's see if I can. Terrible picture. Sorry about this, guys. But let's see. Let's see if I could focus in on. Well, there it is. It has a socket already on one of them. I was able to see, put my hand in. Through the bottom here. I was able, because I forgot there's a thing that holds this in place down with that bolt. So I had to take it back off and put that back on and then tighten it back up. But just found out this was easier to put them on through here. I'm gonna see if I can put a ratchet on there now and just tighten them up, and I'm done with that part. So here I am. There you go, you can see me tighten up that. Not a lot of leverage, so that's how I was able to tighten them up easier through here. Wish I'd have known that when I was taking them off. I struggled a lot more. And there's the other one right next to it. I already tightened that one up though. So there you go. That's that. Now, what's next? Thermostat housing. So now, everything else is lining up. Cool. Okay, part of the other videos I've seen that all of the V6s is they took this whole shroud with everything for the wheel well off. As you can see, I got it. Goes all the way underneath there. Got some bolts underneath there too. Helps easier to see, but I don't know if that was actually necessary anymore, since I thought it was going to come out through the bottom, but it didn't. Now I got everything else buttoned up. Another thing I did to help me move this AC line or give it some play is I took off this bolt here that holds this line in place right there, sturdy. But by taking that off, I was able to get enough movement to give that, push that to the side and get that alternator out through here. Got the hoses back on. I hope they don't leak. Man, what a pain in the butt. Okay, I guess next is the serpentine belt.